Hello, and welcome to OhmAzing Living. I'm Carla, and this is a guided meditation focusing on gratitude and appreciation for all the blessings and grace in our life. Our lives can be so busy that we often forget to be grateful for all of the blessings that we have. The universe provides so many things to be grateful for. Let's begin by finding the most comfortable position for you to be in for the duration of this meditation. You may want to be seated, or maybe you choose to lie down. When you are ready, softly close your eyes and begin slowly breathing in and out through your nostrils. Inhale deeply through your nostrils, and on your exhale, purse your lips and breathe out through your mouth like you are blowing on hot soup. Continue breathing like this for the next several breaths as you begin elongating the exhale. On your next exhale, cease control of the breath and gently bring your awareness into your body. Slowly scan your body and notice if there is anything else you can do to make yourself even a little bit more comfortable. Maybe you notice some tension in a certain area, and if so, inhale into that area, and on your exhale, allow your breath to roll throughout your body, down your legs, and release that tension out through the bottoms of your feet. When you have made any necessary adjustments and released any last bit of tension, nestle into your meditation spot. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils. And on your exhale, open your mouth and slightly allow an audible sigh. One more time, a big deep inhale through your nostrils, opening your mouth slightly and allowing that audible sigh to escape from your lips. Let your muscles soften and allow the muscles in your mind to relax. Bring your focus to your heart center and watch your breath as you inhale. Pause. Slowly exhale. And then pausing again before repeating the cycle. Be aware of your belly rising on the inhale and softly lowering back down on the exhale. Become aware of any sensations in your body. If you find that a thought arises, just notice it and let it go. Bring yourself back to focusing on your breath, and continue focusing on your breath throughout the meditation. Mentally or softly aloud, repeat the following gratitude affirmations as you continue your slow, calm breathing. Thank you for my body. Thank you for the ability to move about freely and see and hear. I am so grateful for my wealth and abundance. Thank you, universe, for my warm bed and soft pillows. Thank you for my beautiful home. I am so grateful for the grace and forgiveness that I have been offered throughout my life. Thank you for good, healthy food to eat. And thank you for my healthy body. I am grateful for the symbiosis of nature and how the earth supports my every need. I am so grateful for the warming rays of the sun and their nourishment for the plants and animals of the earth. I find joy in the bark of a dog or the purr of a kitten. I am grateful for the flowers swaying in the wind, the laughter of a child, and the friendship and connection I share with others. I am grateful and I am loved. I am happy and joyous. I know that I am worthy and I am blessed. And I share all of these gifts with those around me. I am grateful for the miracle of life that I am and cherish every day I am here on this earth. Place both hands over your heart and take a deep breath in, soaking in the gratitude and love from the universe. Breathe deeply as you become aware of the points of contact your body has with the environment around you. Begin bringing your awareness into your space, maybe wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and reorient yourself to your surroundings. Take a few moments here to just relax. Enjoy the gratitude and solitude of your space and the feeling of your inner being. Take some slow, deep breaths as you begin your day with awareness and a fresh outlook on life. This has been Carla with OhmAzing Living, and I thank you for joining me for these few moments to give gratitude and thanks. Go out into the world with joy, harmony, and peace.